That's slick. The very latest Airbus rolling, the A350. Obviously, the aircraft with those Qatar Airways. Nicely on time. Again, one of the classic Airbus departures, sweet pull up. Hard turn round as the majestic 380 comes in over the Swan. On the black shed that still remains up that end of the airfield. Comes in to land. British Airways having more than 12 of them. We've already got some arrivals on it. And just above the 350 coming back towards us. This making its debut this week. Hitch, the aircraft was on the drawing board, started gaining weight here at Farnborough 10 years ago. 2 months later, the designation the A350 was released. Originally, the type was conceived as a 330 derivative with longer range and better fuel economy. However, it's completely different now. Much higher design weights, use advanced materials, lands the 350. Now there's only something like 10% commonality between the two